Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about possibly the best scalping strategy there is out there. Why is it the best? Just look at the chart. 6 entry points today, giving us 5 of them that has already finished over 150 pips. The 6th entry point, which will finish the trade in around 5 pips. Together with this entry point, we will have that's over another 20 pips. So around 180, 170 pips today. It's unbelievable. That's why I dare to call it the best scalping strategy you will learn. So if you can do me a favor, your friends, do your friends favor, yourself a favor. If you like it, if you trust me that this is awesome strategy, please share this video on some groups that you belong to, trading groups with your friends, other fellow traders, because it's really great. Okay, what we will do in this video? In this video, I want to show you and to prove you again that strategy is working and you should be using it. And I want to go again through all the steps of the strategy, because a lot of you is asking me in the comments or in the private messages to explain the strategy, because I've been talking about my trades, but they don't understand the strategy. Strategy was already explained, but I will do it again in this video because the repetition is the best way of learning, and repeating it together with someone who knows the strategy inside out, that's the best way for you. So stay tuned, watch this video carefully. First of all, let's have a look, like a quick look in today's trades. That was midnight. This is our first entry point and this level. I will explain in a second all the rules. We have 30 pips here. Then there is another entry point, 26 pips. That's another entry point. 35, another entry point, 42, another entry point, 37, and that's another entry point. So far 18 pips. If we get to the psychological number, it will be over 20 pips. So 6 entry points, 5 trades completed with over 30 pips on average. Let's start from the beginning. The strategy is for 5-minute charts. It doesn't matter of the platform you are using. I was explaining before on MT4 where I gave you some indicator. But today I want to show you on the XTB when there is no indicator and you want to draw the lines by hand. And what are these lines? These lines are psychological numbers, like rounded numbers, 150. That's what we are interested in. For example, that's 161. 0, 0. You see, 161, 0, 0. Another line is 161, 50. Another one, 162, 0, 0. Why these numbers? Because traders are afraid of them. They trade from these numbers to these numbers. They take their profits and they are watching what will happen next, if the price will go higher or it will retrace from this moment, and we want to take advantage of that. So how to draw it? You just use the horizontal line, place it on the chart. You either drag it where you want it, or you can just type it manually. So we are missing 60 to 50. That's our next psychological level, and bang, here it is. So after going through 62, we will be having 62.50. And now, what needs to happen for us to have a valid entry point? We need a situation like here. So the market is falling. In this case, it's falling. So we are in the bearish market. It's falling, breaking through our psychological point, making a pullback, and then not just retesting, but going through this point. So we are setting our sell stop. So we are placing our order, sell stop, and then we are waiting for the market to trigger it and get profits on another psychological number or around this number. We can see that in this case we were missing literally low, like 1.5 pips. So these are the rules. We are breaking through, having a pullback, and then we are waiting for the price to break through this low and get to another psychological number. Then again, what happened here? Breakthrough, a retest, so that's the pullback, and then this candle is breaking through. So look, just one candle over here. One candle gave us already 20 pips, and few candles later we got all the way to a psychological number with 27 pips. Easy as that. Then we don't have any breakthrough. There is a little bit here, but there is like no proper candle closing, so there should be a full candle underneath, like in this case. That would be the best if we are closing below. In this case, we didn't close. There was just a little wick. And then the price is consolidating, retesting this level. And in the meanwhile, we have already the breakthrough. Next one, there is no break through our level. And we are waiting for the price to break through this level, which is happening exactly at this candle. This is our breakthrough, and few candles later we have our 35 pips. Okay, another breakthrough, pullback, beautiful reaction here. At the same, you see, there was a nice support. Reaction, we are breaking through our level and bang, 43 pips within, let's check, 25 minutes, guys. 45 pips in 25 minutes. Seriously, share this video with your friends. Let them make money. And yeah, the more people know about it, the better, because that will be a powerful reaction at this point. Imagine everyone is buying. Boom. We are all going up very quickly. Okay, another one. Breaking through, pullback, and then breakthrough. The same is happening, 37 pips. Then that was quite strong, so look how far we got. So that was at 79. So this one is quite high. So I would leave it to you whether you want to trade here or not, because the distance is only 22 pips. And the pullback is 27, so you are more than halfway through. I usually don't recommend trading like that, but if you see a strong market like today, going like there is no tomorrow, you can take the risk. It's up to you. But in this case, it did work out. We are very high. We got all the way. The high here was 96.5, so just 3.5 pips before. So yeah, 20 pips. Yeah, we can call it 20 pips, 19 pips and still growing. So these are the rules. I hope it's clear. If you don't understand it, I can repeat it and repeat it over and over. I think today was the day, like, proving that if you are not using this strategy, there's something wrong with you. Of course, use it as your own discretion. Remember that trading CFDs on leverage is very risky business. Most people are losing money because all these things happened, and we can point out to them the historical data. It doesn't mean that you as a trader you will be successful. You need to remember there is always a psychology, and we have our thoughts. We are thinking too much sometimes, not following the strategy as it was meant to be followed. So you need to take that under consideration as well. But I think it's a very good strategy, and if you enjoy it, thumbs up. I will leave some videos on the left hand side as well. Watch them next, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet so. And until the next video, all the best. Take care. Bye.